Hello friends, I am Pawan. Now se- we are going to set up our Google Analytics, and this tutorial is completely free, and we are going to analyze our Google Analytics. In this lecture we are going to understand where the Google Analytics is and how to set up, what is the measure of it, and then it is a complete end to end solution for understanding the traffic and conversions in Google Analytics. And for the audience, they should not be having any type of prior knowledge on analytics, or else anybody who is into analytics and want to learn about more in detail about the conversion rates and how to set up and track, so this tutorial will be helpful. So, and myself, I am Pawan. I am a digital marketing strategist before, and I am been certified in Google AdWords and Google Analytics, and I am also certified in HubSpot, and I am certified expert for Adobe Target. So, this is about myself. And moving on, I have 6.3 years of experience into digital marketing and branding, and traffic and data analysis is my main USP. And conversion optimization and implementation analyst. I am very strongly skilled in conversion optimization and okay. So here moving on, this is the supporting, like the supporting documents and links are included within the blog post or description below the video. So now moving on, how to analyze your Google Analytics in 20 minutes, as we have already. So what is a Google Analytics? It's a product of your web developer can install that collects visitors data from your website. Okay, you can sign up by means of this link provided below, and then it is completely free, and you can set up 100 accounts, 100 websites into one account. So it is a loyal solution for every digital marketer, or else an SEO person, or else a business owner or entrepreneur who can able to understand the what is the Google Analytics is. It mainly deals with what is the conversion optimize, or sorry, what is the traffic that is flowing. So it mainly tracks the visitor in the Google Analytics. After signing up, so there will be like a dashboard. So in the dashboard, so now I am going to understand, make you understand about the audience overview, how the audience will be there. So this is the dashboard generally we see when we first start up a campaign, or else any website. So here are the sessions are nothing but visits, how many visitors new and returning have been to your website. And so unique visitors in the sense those who have came unique. So out of the sessions of 3165, so we have got around 2341 which are unique. So there may be returning customers. Returning customers means like sessions minus users, right? Page views in the sense like mostly visited within a specific time frame. What is the time frame that we can able to adapt is like 3 minutes is this specific time frame. So page views per visit. So average number of pages visited by viewed per session duration. If the person who stays on the website, so for example on our website, like one of the client website, it has been recorded as 1 minute 32 seconds as an the visitor. Constant percentage of the visitors that come to your website visit one page and then leave. It's like you can go to the language, and then you can see that what are the assessment from where it is. If it is mostly from China, then you have to take a look onto your account and then your setup. Okay, then average session timing, how to see better overview, behavior, site content, and basically what are goals right now. So goals are nothing but a trackable measure with a critical, which is used to what is the critical for your business, means like every business has its own set of goals. For example, in e-commerce platform, that is not the site visits, they are into the conversions. Okay, conversions in the space tracking, whoever made the payment. Okay, likewise there are five five ways to track the goals. That is, one is revenue, and number two is acquisition, number three is inquiry, and number four is engagement, and number five is custom. So in the custom you can do like time of the user, average visit, and then video view. Likewise, there are lot many customs you can able to set up. So setting of goals is very important in Google Analytics, and it mainly gives you analysis of the visitors, and then what best we can. So, so here moving on, so we have given like how to access your goals in the conversion. So go to the conversions tab and then hit on overview, goals and overview. So you can see um, your what are goals, that is as I said before. So here is the recap of the previous slide which we have taken into, but please take a look onto the goals and then understand what is the goal matrices, or understand your business first, and then understand the customer. According to that you set up the goal. So that is what we are going to is like. You can go to the language and then you can see that what are the assessment from where it is. If it is mostly from China, then you have to take a look onto your account and then your setup. Okay, then average session timing, how to see better overview, behavior, site content, and I never set up any goal value because it's into e-commerce, but we know there is a standard pricing, so we no need to weigh by means of the standard pricing. If it is a e-commerce, then we have to go for the goal pricing. Conversion rate. So goal conversion rate, number of goals divided by number of sessions. How many sessions are there? And then this is quite good. That is 31.26 percentage of the conversion. So led to prone to conversion. So that is good completion along. And rate is the percentage of who start with a goal but do not finish it. Means like if it is 10 percentage or 20 percentage, then I need to look into that. Is means if I am sending a traffic and then if he is going through the payment page and then without linking without he will be a drop off. It is absolutely 0 percentage, which is of a good score here. Okay, page views and the sense like mostly visited within a specific time frame. What is the time frame that we can able to adapt is like 3 minutes is this specific time frame. Hello friends, I am Pawan. Now we are going to set up our Google Analytics, and this tutorial is completely free, and we are going to analyze our Google Analytics. In this lecture we are going to understand where the Google Analytics is and how to set up, what is the measure of it, and then it is a complete end to end solution for understanding the traffic and conversions in Google Analytics. And for the audience, they should not be having any type of prior. Next is according to the age biases. So how many visits are coming into your site and what are the matrices that are happening over the site. So for that goal, you need to understand from where what are the schemas that you need to use. That is, what are the structures you need to use and the understanding of the website. And as you know that, so for example, if 35 to 44 middle age group is following is that, so this product is very valuable for them. So 65 plus only 4 means that these people who are into this age gap or more into that. So the basic idea is to understand your user first. Okay, while understanding your user, then you can able to set up a profile or else create a conversion tracking over that profiles. Okay, so next, so if you want to target any of the interest, so what are the interests that you are coming into that? So that is affinity category and then in market segment. Okay, it is divided into two types in the interest. So from which the traffic is coming. So you need to understand the conversions that are happening in that matrices. So if I take the affinity category, it means that the reach, so you have targeted some xyz people, so in that segmentation, so which is the reach that you have got. So these are the people who has other set of the interest. So that means that the visits that are happening to the site, so with this interest also you can able to. And then in market, in your financial market, so basically what I have done is that I have taken a financial client and then I have given the in market segment over here. So for that you need to understand from which services they are in. Okay, if you understand their services, from there you are getting the traffic. For example, if you are focusing on investment services for banking sector, okay, so check for that, either your idea or else either your conversion plan that is working out or not. So if you are trying for any other like consumer electronics, yes, consumer electronics traffic is coming. So there is a certain chance of understanding your user first in order to get more conversions, and then you can give the best of out of it. Okay, these are the new points that we can able to use urls and time widgets and event to set up the goals. So use the events or else urls, and then you can see, like you can the main focus is the conversion rate optimization. I have focused this slide on only conversion rate optimization, so that the people can understand out of my biased experience in this digital marketing arena. So you can able to set up all the accounts. Okay, and biased on this matrices or factors. Okay, and when accessing your goals, conversion tracking on binary biases instead of number of conversion. So track the visitors first, track the visitors first, track the bounce rate, track the conversions, track the conversion rate. Okay, it should be growing month by month. Okay, so for example, if in the 100 percentage, if you are getting 70 per 27 percentage conversion, that is good. So at the level 1, so in the level 2, make it that 27 to some 28 or 29, so that is good. So out of 300 or 400 visitors engaging, so what are your level of matrices, you calculate upon that, and then you identify that. So next is the traffic source. Important talk when the users arrives, or else you need to understand where the traffic is coming. So not creating the traffic dashboard and sending it to the client. So you need to understand your user experiences first. So here, how to go that? So acquitization all traffic and channels, you can understand from where the traffic is coming. So this is the traffic, any other that is other traffic that you could not group, that is media buys. Here also we are using media buys, that is affiliate marketing for this client. So we are getting a media paid search. So traffic from the paid AdWords and Bing ads. Here we have used both AdWords and Bing ads. So that is the next from the search engines such as Google, Bing, and Yahoo. Mainly we have targeted Google over here, and Bing we are getting the less traffic, and Yahoo we are getting lot more less traffic. So here we are targeting only on Google. So the direct traffic, that is either the typing of the URL or else clicking on the bookmark or else link. This is good. This is good. Actually, like the direct traffic, we will eliminate the direct traffic. So uh, in order to make this, so this is also a trackable measure. So this is also a trackable measure in the sense some of them will understand Google better, some of them will understand email better, some of them will understand SMS better. So keep tracking on whatever the goals are. Okay. If it is an internal employee, then keep an IP filter. Okay. So that is the main way of tracking the goal. So every trackable measure you need to understand the user. In the referral traffic, so how many links are coming into the website traffic? Social. So from social media, so we have used Twitter, Pinterest, and Instagram. Facebook we are not likely to use this. So from where the traffic, these are the some of the points that you need to remember. Okay, that look for a link or partnership opportunities. Okay, so the mainly like partnership opportunities in the sense, for example, if you are tagging in Flipkart or whichever medium that you are, so look for that opportunity, discover more organic search, and then more and then and organic searches. Okay, there are some privacy concerns, so please do understand and please do remember that never ever promote the harsh content, never ever promote the persona content, never ever find out the competitor and then use unnatural things. So the Google can understand and predict more if you are doing that. So that is what. So set up the webmaster tools, and then goal conversion rate is more important than number of conversions. Okay, so here the goal conversion rate is more important than the number of conversions. Yeah, this is the main point that you need to focus on in order to build the value relationship. This is the so this we are this most of the marketers will not undergo this. So either it is where the traffic is important talk when the what are the traffic, so from where the traffic is coming, average session duration, so understand that. So from where the traffic is, and keep a breakdown analysis, and then understand the visitor first where that is coming through it. So uh, so understand the user. So here you need to understand the important task, and then where the devices, how much traffic is generating, and where visitors using the or where the users are living. So you need to understand this visitor traffic from the devices so that you can better understand. Okay, so if you have a high bounce rate on, you should opt for the mobile devices website, and AMP is the good one that you can able to use it for that. If you are new noticing a low average session duration, that means that particular device is not keeping the visitor engagement. So you need to make the mobile optimized pages or else mobile optimized lead conversion page. You need to understand what are the top pages that are going into that. So from there you can understand that more that the visitors are liking that content. So meanwhile you replicate that same strategy to all the pages so that you can get the big deal overview. So in my site, these are the page views that are coming into that, and so mainly focusing on our services. So we are getting, so for home page we are getting more and more traction than the other pages. So seeing onto this, so what are the unique page visits? So meanwhile you have to go on to that average of the entrances. You can. So Pages with high bounce rate and low average sessions should be analyzed further. Adding of video content and quality content could lower the bounce rate and increase the session time. You can use exit percentage to help the pinpoint areas of your website where the visitors are living. And you need to understand the goals, traffic sources, devices, and top page in order to analyze the Google data. So this is the end of the slide. So most probably most of this will help you to retain your site in more engaging fashion. So these some of the critical points are very useful for you and for the digital marketing for your business in order to grow up to the extent level. So the yeah, if you have any questions or comments, please drop down an email to me, or else you can call me up and then fix up a meeting how best we can able to perform better. So thank you very much for listening to that.